Hello friends, in this video we'll be talking about a very important concept. In the previous classes we have read that how supply behaves, how the supply curve behaves. This is what we have read in the previous classes. We have also read about the behavioral principles. Now in this small video we are going to understand that how the short run supply curve of the firm in a perfect competition market, it is derived from the marginal cost curve. आई विल रिपीट कि हम मार्जिनल कॉस्ट कर्व से किस तरीके से शॉर्ट रन सप्लाई कर्व जो है उसको डिराइव करते हैं सर, राइट? सो आई विल मेक द डायग्राम because this was the concept that was not covered in any of the recorded video lectures, so I decided to make a separate video for it. Now this is for a firm we are drawing. Okay, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, this is the price line, right? Now, as you know that for the equilibrium, this is marginal cost. This price line is also equals to the average revenue, the marginal revenue, and it is also behaving as the demand curve. This we have already learned, right? Now this is the quantity. Q, I'm writing it as Q. Okay, this is origin. Now this is the average cost curve. Let us suppose that this is the average cost curve. Now if this is the average cost curve, it means that the firm is in a loss position. Why the firm is in a loss position? Because here average cost is more than average revenue, my dear friends. Okay, so whenever such a position occurs, then the firm is in a loss position. Now because the firm is in a loss position, let us reduce the price now. So this is the new price P1. This is the new price P1. Okay. Now this is the new quantity Q1, and we are not shifting the average cost curve right now. So the firm is again in a loss position. Okay. So the firm is again in a loss position, sir and ma'am. Wait. So this is the loss that the firm is now in. Okay. Now you have to understand that as the price has gone down, the loss has increased. But will the firm go ahead with the production? Yes. The firm will go ahead with the production till that point where this average variable cost is covered. This is the average variable cost and it is covered at this point. If the price further drops from P1, then the average variable cost will also not be covered and the firm will shut down its production. Okay. Now if we increase the price, let us look at what happens when we increase the price. So the new price is P2 and this is the quantity, that is Q2. And now this area, the dotted area that I'm making, it is super normal profit because at price P2, what is happening that the average revenue is more than average cost because P2 is the new AR2. Okay, so here the average revenue, it becomes more than the average cost and the firm is, enjoying a situation of super normal profit. Now, how this supply curve is derived? Now there are 3 points. I'm marking 3 points. A, this point on P2, this point B, and this point C. Now these 3 points are there, and with these quantities Q1, Q, and Q2, the supply curve in the short run will be derived. So this is the P1 price, this is the P price, and this is the P2 price. And this, if we join these points, then we will derive the upward sloping curve, upward sloping, positively sloping supply curve. So we can say that in short run. Now another way in which we can derive it is from the price side, from the y-axis, that is from here like this. Okay, so this is q1, this is q, and this is q2. So this will meet here, this will meet here, and this is the supply curve. So that is how the supply curve is derived in the short run, and how the marginal cost curve is behaving like a supply curve. Now, which portion of the marginal cost curve behaves like a supply curve, we have to understand. So the portion from where, from the point where average variable cost is equals to marginal cost, is equals to marginal cost, and above it the marginal cost curve, MC curve, it acts like a supply curve, okay, for a perfect competition in the short run. So this was it for this small video. I hope you have understood this concept. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day. Enjoy.